Meteorologist Riley Fannon here. A major winter storm impacting mid-Missouri this weekend. We're starting with a rain, snow, and freezing rain mix around sunset Saturday night. The further south from I-70 you live, the more likely it is you're going to see an extended period of freezing rain and ice accumulation lasting all the way until Sunday afternoon, where we could be looking at areas from Highway 50 to the lake receiving upwards of 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation. Further north, it's primarily all snow, where we could see upwards of a foot north of I-70. When it's all said and done by early Monday morning, we could see widespread travel impacts, power outages, and concerns for infrastructure. So my best bet is stay home as much as you can this weekend and stay off the roads.